Hi, my name's Euan Reeve. We're here at Norland's Jerseys. We milk 350 Jersey cows on about 120 hectares. So our Afimilk system was installed September 2022. I had good support from the team, making sure I was picking the right cows. For the first 6 weeks, Afi was picking cows, but I was also on the platform as well to make sure I was happy with the cows Afi was picking. And then at the end of that, I did a big analysis of the data, and Afi was just as good as me, if not better. So when we first started venturing down this line of looking at cow wearables, I looked at 4 options and looked at what the price was, what the product was, but more importantly what the backup was. And Afimilk with headlands provided fantastic backup. The day we signed up, we were given a time frame of what was going to happen, when it was going to happen. A couple of days later, the Afi techs were on farm again, training us how to read some of the data that was coming through, but always knew that there was someone at the end of the phone. I was fortunate to have some of the team from Israel on farm looking at some of our animal health, and they're tweaking some of the parameters to just make it add more value and personalise it for this farm, because this farm is different to the neighbour's farm, which is different to the next one along. The best thing about Afimilk that it brings to our business, there's two key ones for me. There's one, knowing that my cows have always been looked at through technology, knowing when they're in season, when they're sick. But 2, if we do have a problem that I don't understand, I've got support at the end of the phone in the form of headlands or Afimilk. To me, those are the 2 key things that they bring to my business.